Have you ever walked into a home that instantly felt fresh, cozy, and full of life? The secret might not be expensive furniture or trendy decor. It could be the plants. Indoor plants can completely transform a space, making it feel more welcoming, relaxing, and beautiful. Some houseplants even improve air quality and boost your mood. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned plant lover, these stunning indoor plants can elevate any room. Stay until the end because we're counting down 15 of the most beautiful houseplants that can turn your home into a lush indoor paradise. Number 1. Snake plant. The snake plant is one of the most popular houseplants in the world, and it's easy to see why. Its tall, upright leaves feature striking green patterns that fit perfectly into modern, minimalist, or traditional homes. This plant is incredibly low maintenance and can tolerate low light, dry air, and occasional mist waterings. It looks stunning in bedrooms, offices, and living rooms, adding height and elegance to any corner. Because it requires very little attention while maintaining its beautiful appearance year-round, the snake plant is often the first choice for beginners looking to start an indoor plant collection. Number 2. Monstera deliciosa. Monstera deliciosa is often called the king of indoor tropical plants. Its large, glossy leaves develop unique splits and holes as they mature, creating a dramatic and exotic look. This beautiful plant instantly adds a tropical vibe to any room and is a favorite among interior designers. Monsteras thrive in bright, indirect light and grow quickly under the right conditions. Their impressive foliage can become the focal point of a living room or office. If you want a houseplant that makes a bold statement while remaining relatively easy to care for, Monstera deliciosa is an excellent choice. Number 3. Peace Lily. The peace lily combines graceful beauty with simple care requirements. Its dark green leaves create a lush appearance, while elegant white flowers add a touch of sophistication. This plant thrives in medium to low light, making it ideal for many indoor spaces. Peace lilies are known for their ability to signal when they need water by drooping slightly, which makes care easier for beginners. Their beautiful blooms and rich foliage create a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Whether placed in a bedroom, office, or living room, the peace lily brings timeless beauty and elegance indoors. Number 4. Pothos. Pothos is a stunning trailing plant loved for its cascading vines and heart-shaped leaves. Available in several varieties, including golden, marble queen, and neon pothos, it offers beautiful colors and patterns. This adaptable plant thrives in a wide range of lighting conditions and requires minimal care. Its vines can grow several feet long, creating a lush waterfall effect from shelves or hanging baskets. Pothos is perfect for adding greenery to small apartments, offices, or large homes. Its fast growth and forgiving nature make it one of the easiest and most rewarding houseplants to grow indoors. Number 5. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is admired for its glossy, deep green leaves that seem to shine naturally. Its sleek appearance makes it an excellent addition to modern homes and office spaces. One of the toughest houseplants available, it tolerates low light and infrequent watering with ease. Even people who forget to water their plants often can successfully grow a ZZ plant. Its upright stems and shiny foliage create a clean, elegant look that complements almost any decor style. With minimal effort, this beautiful plant remains healthy and attractive throughout the year, making it a favorite among busy plant lovers. Number 6. Fiddle leaf fig. The fiddle leaf fig is one of the most iconic houseplants in interior design. Its large, violin-shaped leaves create a bold visual statement that instantly elevates any room. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and appreciates consistent care. As it grows, it can become a stunning indoor tree that fills empty spaces with lush greenery. The dramatic shape and size of its leaves make it a favorite for creating a stylish and sophisticated atmosphere. If you're looking for a plant that combines beauty, elegance, and presence, the fiddle leaf fig is hard to beat. Number 7. Rubber plant. Rubber plants are known for their thick, glossy leaves and strong, upright growth. Their rich green foliage creates a luxurious appearance that fits beautifully into modern and traditional homes alike. Rubber plants can grow quite tall indoors, making them excellent statement plants for corners and open spaces. They prefer bright, indirect light but adapt well to average indoor conditions. Their sturdy nature and attractive appearance make them popular among plant enthusiasts. With proper care, a rubber plant can become a long-lasting centerpiece that adds warmth, texture, and natural beauty to your indoor environment. Number 8. Chinese evergreen. Chinese evergreen is celebrated for its colorful foliage and easy-care nature. Depending on the variety, its leaves may display shades of green, silver, pink, or red. These beautiful patterns make it one of the most decorative indoor plants available. Chinese evergreens tolerate lower light levels better than many houseplants, making them perfect for offices and shaded rooms. Their compact growth and vibrant leaves add life and color wherever they're placed. Even beginner plant owners can enjoy their beauty with minimal effort. This combination of attractiveness and durability makes Chinese evergreen a true indoor favorite. Number 9. Spider plant. Spider plants are cheerful and versatile houseplants known for their arching leaves and playful baby plantlets. The green and white striped foliage creates a fresh, lively appearance that brightens any room. Spider plants grow well in hanging baskets, shelves, and plant stands. Over time, they produce small offshoots that dangle gracefully from the mother plant. These baby plants can be propagated easily, allowing you to expand your collection. Their adaptability, easy care requirements, and charming appearance have made spider plants a beloved choice for generations of indoor gardeners around the world. Number 10. Bird of Paradise. Bird of Paradise brings a bold tropical feel into your home with its large banana-like leaves. This stunning plant can grow impressively tall indoors when given bright light and proper care. Its dramatic foliage creates a luxurious, resort-like atmosphere that instantly transforms living spaces. Bird of Paradise plants are perfect for filling empty corners and adding a strong visual impact. Their lush green leaves provide a beautiful contrast against modern furniture and minimalist interiors. If you dream of creating a tropical indoor oasis, this plant is one of the most spectacular choices available. Number 11. Jade plant. Jade plants are attractive succulents that combine beauty with simplicity. Their thick stems and fleshy green leaves create a miniature tree-like appearance that many people find charming. Jade plants thrive in bright light and require less watering than most houseplants, making them ideal for busy plant owners. Many cultures associate jade plants with prosperity, success, and good fortune. Their compact size allows them to fit perfectly on desks, windowsills, and shelves. With proper care, these long-lived plants can remain healthy for decades, becoming treasured parts of an indoor plant collection. Number 12. Heartleaf philodendron. The heartleaf philodendron is a classic houseplant admired for its elegant trailing vines and soft heart-shaped leaves. Its lush green foliage creates a warm and inviting atmosphere in any room. This plant adapts well to different lighting conditions and grows quickly with minimal maintenance. Whether displayed in hanging baskets or cascading from shelves, its vines add movement and beauty to indoor spaces. The heartleaf philodendron is especially popular among beginners because of its forgiving nature. Its timeless charm and effortless growth make it one of the easiest ways to add greenery to your home. Number 13. Money tree. Money trees are instantly recognizable thanks to their braided trunks and vibrant green leaves. They are often associated with luck, wealth, and positive energy, making them popular decorative plants in homes and offices. Their unique appearance adds character and elegance to indoor spaces. Money trees thrive in bright, indirect light and enjoy moderate watering. Their balanced shape and attractive foliage create a polished look that complements many interior styles. Easy to care for and visually appealing, the money tree remains one of the most beloved houseplants for both beginners and experienced plant enthusiasts. Number 14. Umbrella plant. The umbrella plant gets its name from the way its glossy leaves radiate outward like the spokes of an umbrella. This unique growth pattern gives the plant a full and attractive appearance. It thrives in bright, indirect light and adapts well to typical indoor conditions. The umbrella plant can grow into a small indoor tree, making it perfect for adding height and greenery to living rooms or offices. Its lush foliage creates a tropical feel without requiring complicated care. With its distinctive shape and easy maintenance, it's an excellent addition to any indoor garden. Number 15. Calathea. Calathea is often considered one of the most beautiful foliage plants available. Its leaves feature intricate patterns and vibrant colors, including shades of green, silver, pink, and purple. Many Calathea varieties move their leaves throughout the day, creating a fascinating display known as the prayer plant effect. These stunning plants bring artistry and elegance into indoor spaces. Although they appreciate a bit more humidity than some houseplants, their extraordinary beauty makes the effort worthwhile. For plant lovers who appreciate unique foliage and eye-catching patterns, Calathea is truly a show-stopping houseplant. Those are 15 beautiful indoor plants that can completely transform your home into a lush and inviting space. Whether you prefer the bold tropical leaves of a Monstera, the elegant blooms of a Peace Lily, or the colorful foliage of a Calathea, there's a perfect houseplant for every style and skill level. Which of these beautiful plants is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more houseplant inspiration, indoor gardening tips, and plant care guides. Thanks for watching and happy planting!